Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable show unlock transition effect in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics, and here you will see a show unlock transition effect button. So if you want to enable show unlock transition effect, then turn on this button, and if you want to disable show unlock transition effect, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable show unlock transition effect in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.